Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send invoices in FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Very simple. Launch on a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com. That's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once again, to the website, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after creating your account successfully and signing in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to send invoices in FreshBooks. So from this homepage, head over to the left navigation panel where you have a couple of features which include dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, project time tracking, accounting, and report, all the way down to settings. Now go ahead and click on invoices, and that's going to take you right into the invoices window. And from there, we're going to see how we can send this invoice to a client. So this is an invoice that I have in my books. Click open the invoice, and it takes you to a window where you have your invoice in full display. So this is my invoice. Pretty cool. And when to send that, check the top right corner, you have more actions. Click on more actions. That opens you up to an extended option, which include add a payment, send by email, share via link, duplicate, print, download PDF, assign to project, archive, delete, and audit log. Now go ahead and click on send by email. Now you can send to, this is the person. You can add any other person, any other email that you want to add. Let's say you want to add somebody else, so go ahead and add somebody else if you want to. Then over there, add a subject. In my book, send you an invoice. You can edit your subject and edit the body. Now go ahead and click on send invoice, and once you click on send invoice, the invoice is going to be sent to the person. So this is pretty much how you can send an invoice in FreshBooks. You can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.